Welcome to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. This is your go-to source for practical advice and support while you go through the divorce process. Join us each weekday for a quick chat where we'll cover a variety of topics such as child custody, property division, and self-care. Together, we'll explore emotional, financial, and legal aspects of divorce and help you find the best path forward for you and your family. Here's your host and Certified Divorce Financial Analyst professional, Mike Fulkerson.
Hi, and welcome back to Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. I'm your host, Mike Fulkerson, financial advisor and certified divorce financial analyst professional. Today, we're going to discuss the Marriage Settlement Agreement, or MSA. It's really the document that plays a pivotal role in finalizing your divorce. So imagine the MSA as a roadmap. It outlines all the critical decisions you and your spouse have made about dividing assets, debts, and other important matters. So we're going to break this down and dive into what exactly is in the MSA. And we're going to start with, it's a legally binding contract that really details how you resolve all financial and logistical issues arising from your divorce. And it covers a wide range of things. Division of assets and debts. This is probably a major component. The agreement really will outline how you'll split marital property, whether it's cars, houses, retirement accounts, investments, and how you handle existing debts. And then you got spousal maintenance. If it's applicable, the marriage settlement agreement will specify the amount and duration of spousal support payments. We got child custody and support in there as well. While child custody and support are often addressed in a separate parenting plan, the MSA can reference it or incorporate it by reference. And then there's other considerations. The agreement can also address other aspects like pet ownership, division of personal belongings, or even life insurance beneficiary designations. There are several advantages to having a well-drafted MSA, and one, it can reduce conflict. Reaching an agreement outside of court minimizes arguments and emotional turmoil. Control over the outcome. You and your spouse really do have more control over the terms of your divorce rather than leaving the decision to a judge. Reduce costs. A marriage settlement agreement can be less expensive than a lengthy court battle. And then finality. A finalized MSA provides closure and allows you to both move forward with certainty. Now, crafting the MSA often involves negotiation, which can be facilitated by your divorce attorneys. It's pretty important to be open and honest about your financial situation and needs. Sometimes a mediator can also be helpful in guiding discussions towards a fair solution. And then we can't forget that legal review is essential. Before signing the MSA, it's really important to have your lawyer thoroughly review the document. They can ensure it protects your rights, is legally sound, and accurately reflects the agreements you've reached. Now, what happens if you can't agree? Well, unfortunately, not all couples can reach an agreement. I know, shocking, right? If negotiations stall, the court will make decisions regarding property division, spousal maintenance, and child custody based on state laws. This can be a lengthy and unpredictable process, though. A well-crafted marriage settlement agreement allows you and your spouse to navigate, the divorce process with more control and potentially less emotional strife. I want to thank you for joining us on this episode of Breaking Ties, Destination Divorce. Should you have any questions on today's topic or other financial planning issues, please leave a comment or reach out to me. Divorce is not the end of your story. It is the start of your next great chapter. Take care.